What is one mistake I should avoid when applying for my spouse's green card? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our office here in St. Louis, Missouri. One of the great things about these videos is that I get to say things that I might not necessarily say to a potential client who's sitting across from me. But I just got out of a consult and boy, was she making some bad decisions, some poor choices, some dumb mistakes, you might even say. This is a U.S. citizen who is a nurse. She's gainfully employed. She has a nice income. She does her own tax returns, and she's also the kind of person who likes to do her own immigration forms. And so far, she's had great success. She brought her fiance here from Bosnia. They got married. She filed for a 485, and she got to complete the Affidavit of Support on her own. And she received a little cryptic letter from USCIS, a request for evidence for more information about her Affidavit of Support. And she is perplexed because she feels like she has followed all the instructions. And at first glance, the Affidavit of Support looked mostly right. And the thing about requests for evidence these days from the Trump administration and in general is that you don't always know what they're asking. And we've seen probably 5 or 6 cases where people screwed up the Affidavit of Support and their cases were denied. Now, she was given the opportunity to fix it, and when we took a look at it, it looked like there were indeed a few errors. And so I am not the I-864 guy. I don't spend much time on that form. I actually hate that form. But our office manager slash HR person slash paralegal extraordinaire, Adela, who's been with me for 11 years, I venture to say she knows more about affidavits of support than anybody else in the whole state of Missouri. She came in to take a look at it, and she was able to decode a few things. And while I was waiting for Adela to come in, I asked the lady, now you're still going to do this all on your own? And she said yes. Now keep in mind, her case is delayed. The green card case is delayed. Her husband is not able to work because now the work card and travel card has also been delayed. So her case is tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock pending, and she doesn't want to spend any money. She just wanted us to sort of explain to her what the mistakes were in her affidavit of support. Now usually we don't do that, but I'm getting ready to go out of town. I was in sort of a hurry, so we took a quick look at it, and it turns out that she has not filed the proper tax returns. Her tax returns looked very strange. She listed her actual salary and wages as her adjusted gross income on her tax return and on her affidavit of support. So we think that's why it got kicked back. But it was going to take a little bit more of a deeper dive, and I offered the opportunity to work with us, and she decided that she wanted to keep going on her own. And I'm really left scratching my head because let's say her husband is able to work 3 months earlier by working with us. That would have definitely paid whatever legal fee she would have paid to us, and we would have made sure that it was done right. Now here's the other thing is, Adela points out she's one step from getting denied. So then they'd lose their whole $1,225 filing fee, and of course the months and months that he's not able to work. So I really wanted to bang my head on the table and tell her, look lady, I understand that you're cheap and you don't want to spend the money, but you're really being foolish. So if you're working with an immigration lawyer, let them do their job. If you're thinking about working with an immigration lawyer, let them do their job. You might be very clever. You're a full-time nurse, you have a full-time job, you're doing well in America, and you even got your fiance here on an I-129F. But that doesn't mean you're going to be able to carry the ball over the finish line and get the case done. This is what I wanted to say to her. Hopefully she'll see the video. But I really think that this is a situation where you're trying to save a little bit of money and you're really losing out in the end. So I hope it all works out for them. I hope I don't see them again, but we have seen several cases where just screwing up the affidavit of support is enough to get your case denied. So her case is stuck at the service center until then. Hopefully it'll make it through and they'll get scheduled for an interview. We hope you found this video helpful. Give us a call at 314-961-8200. If you have any questions, you can email us at info@hackinglawpractice.com. Be sure to join us in our Facebook group, which is called Immigrant Home. We're almost up to 1,500 members by the time you watch this video. I'm sorry, almost up to 1,000 members by the time you watch this video. And then be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we can let you know whenever we publish a new video just like this one. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.